Welcome to our channel, Master English Academy. Fast and fluent English. Don't hesitate, join us and subscribe. Listen and repeat with me. Listen and repeat with me. I'm sorry, I don't understand. I'm sorry, I don't understand. I want to go to the fish museum. I want to go to the fish museum. I want to go to the fish museum. I would like to order a plate of pasta. I would like to order a plate of pasta. I would like to order a plate of pasta. Can you help me with this? Can you help me with this? Can you help me with this? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? Do you want to meet? What time do you want to meet? What time do you want to meet? I'm sorry to hear that. I'm sorry to hear that. I'm sorry to hear that. I hope you feel better soon. I hope you feel better soon. I hope you feel better soon. I'm here for you if you need anything. I'm here for you if you need anything. I'm here for you if you need anything. One moment, please. One moment, please. One moment, please. Can I go with you? Can I go with you? Can I go with you? I have lost my way. I have lost my way. I have lost my way. Will you accept me as a friend? Will you accept me as a friend? Will you accept me as a friend? What a beautiful day. What a beautiful day. What a beautiful day. Can you repair my device? Can you repair my device? Can you repair my device? Do not forget to bring my order. Do not forget to bring my order. Do not forget to bring my order. No problem. No problem. No problem. Will it rain today? Will it rain today? Will it rain today? I want to get an accredited certification. I want to get an accredited certification. I want to get an accredited certification. This is harmful to your health. This is harmful to your health. This is harmful to your health. We must go to the doctor. We must go to the doctor. We must go to the doctor. Do not take this medicine. Do not take this medicine. Do not take this medicine. You can work with us. You can work with us. You can work with us. Have you read this book? Have you read this book? Have you read this book? What are your priorities? What are your priorities? What are your priorities? Do you have a bank account? Do you have a bank account? Do you have a bank account? What is the date of opening your company? What is the date of opening your company? What is the date of opening your company? Do you trust this person? Do you trust this person? Do you trust this person? It's expensive. It's expensive. It's expensive. I have many tasks today. I have many tasks today. I have many tasks today. I will be late for the meeting. I will be late for the meeting. I will be late for the meeting. Can I book 2 rooms? Can I book 2 rooms? Can I book 2 rooms? I'm worried about. I'm worried about. I'm worried about. I am proud of you. I am proud of you. I am proud of you. I will make a cup of coffee. I will make a cup of coffee. I will make a cup of coffee. She left the house in the morning. She left the house in the morning. She left the house in the morning. I'm going to the bus stop. I'm going to the bus stop. I'm going to the bus stop. Would you go shopping? Excuse me, can you tell me the time? Excuse me, can you tell me the time? Excuse me, can you tell me the time? What does that mean? What does that mean? What does that mean? Does anyone here speak Arabic? Does anyone here speak Arabic? Does anyone here speak Arabic? I don't speak much English. I don't speak much English. I don't speak much English. I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't understand. Could you speak more slowly, please? Could you speak more slowly, please? Could you speak more slowly, please? Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? Give it to me, please. Give it to me, please. Give it to me, please. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. Just a moment, I'd like to say something about this. Just a moment, I'd like to say something about this. Just a moment, I'd like to say something about this. What's the best way to get to the airport? What's the best way to get to the airport? What's the best way to get to the airport? Make sure you have everything. Make sure you have everything. Make sure you have everything. Take your time. Take your time. Take your time. Give me your number. Give me your number. Give me your number. Look. It's raining. Look. It's raining. Look. It's raining. Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. Put some salt in the food. Put some salt in the food. Put some salt in the food. Would you do me a favor? Would you do me a favor? Would you do me a favor? Would you like to come with me? Would you like to come with me? Would you like to come with me? How about having a picnic? How about having a picnic? How about having a picnic? I'm terribly sorry. I'm terribly sorry. I'm terribly sorry. You get my goat. You get my goat. You get my goat. You are very close. 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 I have another vision. I have another vision. I have another vision. What are keeping back? What are keeping back? What are keeping back? No matter who does it. No matter who does it. No matter who does it. Thanks for your encouragement. Thanks for your encouragement. Thanks for your encouragement. If all goes well. If all goes well. If all goes well. Good to see you. Good to see you. Good to see you. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. I'm sorry, I made a mistake. I'm sorry, I made a mistake. I'm sorry, I made a mistake. I will do my best to help you. I will do my best to help you. I will do my best to help you. I could go to the beach this weekend. I could go to the beach this weekend. I could go to the beach this weekend. I need to speak to the manager. I need to speak to the manager. I need to speak to the manager. I might go to the gym tomorrow. I might go to the gym tomorrow. I might go to the gym tomorrow. I will always be there for you. I will always be there for you. I will always be there for you. I will never agree about that. I will never agree about that. I will never agree about that. She expressed her feelings through art. She expressed her feelings through art. She expressed her feelings through art. I'm here for you if you need anything. I'm here for you if you need anything. I'm here for you if you need anything. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button to receive all news.
شكرا على مشاهدتكم لفيديوهاتي. فضلا اشترك في القناة وفعل زر الجرس ليصلكم كل جديد.